मैं हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड 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 गुड, सब बढ़िया चल रहा है। सब बढ़िया, एवरीथिंग इज गुड। सो basically, i'll talk about the I'll talk about the database first. Okay, I'll talk about the database first. Like, I'm considering that this is my first lecture of Oracle database, and I'll just talk about what is database, why we used, where we used, and everything. Okay, and what is the importance of database actually. Okay, just relax. Okay, we will go with the a very lightweight lecture actually, so don't take it too much of tension. Okay, so database is everywhere, guys, everywhere. Like, if you go to any mall, like let's say you're going to the DMart. Like, DMart is quite famous, right? So when you're going for the DMart, there these people are using a software. Like, there you are going to do some transactions. Transaction means, let's say you are going to do the transaction of 1000 rupees. So in 1000 rupees you purchase something from DMart. So DMart also is one of the project which is handled by the people or the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro. All the banking projects, very important is banking is everywhere. You take an example of banking means everywhere. You take an example of your SBI bank, you take an example of your HDFC bank, you take an example of any bank. Okay, you take any bank. So they are going to store a huge amount of data. Consider a situation that I'm going to the bank and I'm opening my account. In my account I have 10,000 rupees are there, Indian rupees. The people who are coming from US or other, definitely you have something in your pocket, right? So everything will be stored under your database only. When you are doing the transactions, like let's say you are withdrawing, let's say you are withdrawing, you are doing some deposit, you are taking some loan, every details of yours will be stored inside the database only. Now you have all the big banks are there. You take example of ICCA, you take example of Axis Bank, you take example of HDFC Bank, you take example of any bank. Everywhere the banks are there, and bank are going to store a data. Where those data will be stored? Those data will be stored inside your database only. You take an example of healthcare. You want to store a huge amount of data of your patient, like, what are the patients are there, how much charges are there, how many beds are there. Every details will be stored inside your database only. You take an example of your insurance company. Nowadays insurance play a very very important role. So insurance people are also going to store their data. Insurance people are also going to store their data into database only. So database is something which is very very important, guys. Now when you are working with the companies like Wipro or all these big giants, TCS and all, they have a projects of different sectors. Like, they have a projects of banking sector, like, because I personally work with the banking client, like HSBC's are there. Now Axis people, like, you take an example of HDFC, they usually do not go into the technical part. So what they will do, they will say that HDFC client will say that, boss, I have these databases there, can you please handle that, and I should not get any issue, and if I get the issue you should fix it, and I'm ready to pay you on monthly basis, whatever dollar you are going to say. So this is called service. Now when you're working as a DBA, you're not directly working with bank. Sometimes you can work with the bank also, but you will work with the service provider like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, TCS. All these are the service provider, and they have the projects, and they have a projects like, which projects? They have a projects like all this banking sector, all this insurance project. They have a projects like gas and oiling company. They have healthcare related projects are there. They have financials companies are there, they also want to store their data. Every data will be stored there. So there are huge demand for the database administrator in the IT industry. Maybe the development will not be there, see, there will be situations like where I would say that okay, I do not have a money to go for the development. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. But database play a very important role. Is without database the life is very difficult. And who are responsible to handle these databases? Who are responsible? Who are responsible to handle these databases? The people like you and me. We call it as a DBA. Who are responsible to handle these databases? The main people are like your DBA people, database administrator. Now you people are here to understand about the DBA, means your database administration. Actually, you people are here to understand about the database administration. Administration means my responsibility as a DBA to make sure that my database should be healthy. That is my main responsibility. My database should not be down. If I'm going to the bank, my bank manager, they should not say that boss, currently my database is not working, you cannot do the withdrawal. That is not possible. So that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. That's not a good idea actually. So main responsibility as a DBA, the main responsibility as a DBA is to make sure that your database should be healthy. That is very important, guys. Your database should be healthy and your database should be always up and running. That is my main responsibility. 24/7. You cannot say that boss, I cannot purchase anything in the Amazon in the night time. No, that's not possible, na. Usually if you want to purchase something, na, you are going to go to the Amazon midnight anytime, right? You go to the Amazon, you are going to purchase something. You are going to purchase something, correct, na? Whenever you are purchasing something from the Amazon, Amazon is not going to say that in the night time the database will not be running. No. If the database is not running in the night time, then that is a big loss for the company only. It's a big loss for the company only. So database should be healthy. So database administration play a very important role, and there are multiple databases are available in the market. So don't consider that we have only Oracle only. We have a databases like Oracle database, which is very famous database. Oracle, very famous database. We call it as a Oracle. Why it is famous? Because it is widely used. Okay, it is widely used because it is widely used by the banking sectors. Many people also have the confusion like the database role will be going because of AI and all. See, my suggestion will be because every Saturday we take a podcast of the people who are actually working into the AI. So if you see our Learnomate podcast now, we have so many podcasts are there related to the AI, and I have conducted that. So we discuss with the lot of senior who are actually working with the AI. So AI has a lot of solution. AI has a lot of solution. Along with that, it has a lot of problem also. So don't think that AI is going to replace and all. Do you think that these big giants like Oracle and all, don't you think that they are not worried about that? Nothing. There is no problem. You don't need to worry about anything, guys, because I'm listening all this thing from so many years that AI is going to vanish the jobs and everything. Nothing is going to happen. I'm telling you because this video is available on the YouTube. So believe me. And my suggestion will be you should not go. My suggestion will be you should not worried about the AI. You should adopt that AI. Also going to store their data. You need to understand that. You need to see like how I can understand about this technology, how I can add up this AI with my databases. So AI is making your life easy, but the thing is you also need to add up them. Just take an example of ChatGPT. Earlier, what happened when I want to write down a big queries, like in a very complex query, I was, trying to understand the concept and all. Now if I go to the ChatGPT and if I say that, boss, can you please tell me the top salary from this particular department? It is going to create a SQL query for me. But there are many scenarios are there which is where it is not giving the 100% correct solution also. So if you are thinking that when you have a AI and all, like it is going to create a problem in your life, no, my suggestion will be आप लोग डरो मत उससे. You don't need to scared of it. You need to take advantage of it. And what about the cloud? So we have a different trainings are there, because I provided training on premises, and we have a Oracle cloud training also available actually. So when we go through both the trainings the core technologies are not going to be changed. The Oracle is quite very 1980s technology, 1980s. In 2025 also it is on the top level in especially RDBMS databases. Why? When you get the cloud your operating system level issues got fixed, or I would say the operating system things and all is different, but your administration cloud also we have a lot of challenges are there. You talk to the people who are actually working in cloud. Why we have so many admissions are available in the OCI then? Why we have? Because if you want to go into the Oracle cloud you should know about the Oracle DBA first. You cannot directly understand about Oracle cloud. That's not going to help you. You cannot directly understand about the Oracle cloud unless and until you know about the Oracle DBA. So the knowledge which we are going to take here, that is going to be really helpful for your cloud also. Maybe noise, I am really sorry, because nowadays Ganpati festival is there so you need to bear for 2-3 days. Okay, अभी गणपति फेस्टिवल की वजह से थोड़ा सा आरती वगैरह चलती रहती है. सो थोड़ा सा आप लोग एडजस्ट करो. इसको और कम कर सकता हूँ क्या मैं? ठीक है. Is it okay guys? Is it okay everyone? Is it okay? So that's the case. Okay, so basically whenever you are going to start the career, people will give you a lot of suggestions. Okay, the people are saying that the cloud and all and then AI, it is going to create a problem. Trust me, nothing is going to happen. You need to understand the core technology. Still there is a lot of demand for the C language, Java language. Do you know this? Java, even though these are the very old technologies are there. So don't worry about the AI and cloud. My suggestion will be आप लोग उसको डरो मत. You need to adapt those technology. That's very important. And how to use the cloud, how to use the AI, everything we are going to learn. Okay, don't worry about that. So basically we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA. Okay, that will be in English. This time we are starting in English language. We are going to cover everything from the basic. Why I'm always focusing on DBA, I don't focus on the coding skill set, because I know my people are not the one who are coming from computer background. My people are who are specially coming from, who is having a gap in their career, who is coming from the non-technical background, who do not understand the coding. Here in Oracle DBA, you don't need to write down a single line of code also. It's completely coding less technology. No need to write down a code. You just need to understand about the SQL and Linux. That too also we are going to take it in our class. So those people who are interested to start your journey into the IT industry without writing down a single line of code, you can join Learnomate. And if you want to know about the Learnomate, you can go to the YouTube channel, search about us. We have around 80,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. We are the best training institute for the Oracle database technologies, and especially I'm going to conduct this batch. And here we are not just talking about, here we are not just talking about the DBA concept or technical things. We understand your, we try to understand your background also. So if you are coming from BSc, BCA, MCA, MCS, any background, okay, including engineering, you can definitely start your career into the Oracle DBA. Coding is a skill set, which you cannot understand easily. It is going to be time consuming and it required a lot of practice. If you have a, you do not have a time. Why are you wasting your time understanding the coding? And there is a lot of competitions in the coding also. There is a lot of competitions in the coding also. So better you start it with me, with Learnomate. We provide practical, theoretical, mock interviews, support, recordings, everything is available. Job assistance, and whenever there is a vacancies are available, we are going to help you. Any technology, whenever you are learning, it required a lot of practice also. It required a lot of practice also. There is a number given in the chat options. There is a number given in the chat option, and there is a form available in the chat option. Please fill up that form, and you can call on the number also if you guys want. So here the numbers are available. These numbers also you can just take a snap. These numbers also you can take a snap. Okay, so you can WhatsApp them. Okay, but if you guys have any questions, queries, anything regarding, okay, please fill up the form, guys. Okay, please fill up the form. And if you guys have any questions, anything regarding your trainings now, you can definitely unmute and you can ask me. Okay, you can unmute and you can ask. There is a form available in the chat option. You can fill up that, and meanwhile you can ask the questions also.
Hi, sir. Good
Yes,
evening.
good evening.
I have a small question. Like, if you're conducting a session in between, like let's say uh, you're you're speaking in the session, and if I have a doubt in between, can I stop and ask you, or
Yeah,
is
yeah,
there going to
every,
be a Q&A session?
I see, basically what I do, I will take 3 minutes to explain the small concept. I just need 3 minutes silence. Every after
Oh,
three
yeah.
minutes, I'm going to ask, do you have any questions or not? So
Perfect.
you
Yeah.
can ask your n number of questions. There is no problem in that. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. I
So
just wanted to know, like,
our
what's
class is all
the
about the interactive class only. Yes, please.
yeah, I just wanted to know that because a few people do like they'll just wait till the end, and at the end they'll do
No,
Q&A,
no, no,
which
no, not
is
like this. Okay,
not
not
good
like
at all.
this.
So,
Normally, no, 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 no. If yes, okay, everything will be interactive. Every after 3 minutes, 2 minutes, I will ask the people like, do you have any questions? We can have a discussion. We have a dedicated support team available. We create a WhatsApp group. You can take a screenshot the problem that you're facing, send it to the group. My team will take your control and fix the issues. So even after the class also, we have all these doubt clearing things are there.
okay. And what about the practice things? Like you guys give us a VM and then we do it on it, or
You can do it on personal laptop also. I do it on personal laptop. Those people who do not have sufficient RAM, especially I need just 8 GB RAM, we will provide you the, we will provide you the lab access also. So that is also there.
sure, perfect.
Yes, please. Next question.
And right now, like I'm working as a DBA, but I'm more tilted towards MS SQL, and this is something like recently this Oracle thing came up, and I want to be fully trained on this. So what's happening is we are onto physical servers, and there are like multiple instances on Oracle server, and this data guard concept, I'm not familiar with that. So how
Hmm.
detailed will be the session on data guard?
We are going to take a on data card also. Everything will be covered. You let me know what you want. We can take care of it.
Sure. Yep. Thank you. Thank you so
And
much.
someone is asking like the course language. This batch we are starting in English, but we have separate batch for Hindi. Join my Hindi batch. So we have a separate batch for Hindi also, English also. Both the batches are there. Telugu we do not have. I'm not Telugu person. I don't understand Telugu.
And what's the estimated start date for this course, sir? If you don't mind me asking,
You'll
or
get
it's
to
not
know.
yet.
Okay, still the date
Okay.
is not fixed, but the timing will be 8 to 9. This timing only.
8 to 9, right? So it is 8 to 9 IST.
Correct time. Current time actually. Current time.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I connect from US, so I just thought I
The current
just
time.
want
Whatever
to.
the time you have, not the same time.
Okay.
So some people are asking me like, what are the durations are there? The duration of this course will be 3 months. I'm going to cover SQL, Linux, and Oracle DBA. In Oracle DBA, we are going to cover the Oracle architecture, Oracle installation, then concept like your user management, table space, then we have listener, then we have export import, arm and backup, restoration, data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, OEM, performance, everything. Everything will be there.
I have a question
Yeah,
about the
sir.
recording.
Yeah, you will get the recording. The recording access will be for one year. Okay. Every day you will get
So
the recording. But
how
the
to
class
access
is
it?
live. Okay. Class is live.
How to access the recording? Is it a website that you can log into, or
Now we have our Learnomate app is there. We will give you access. You can use your browser also, so you can watch it on your laptop, mobile phone, iPhone, whatever you have. You can access there.
do I need to download an app, or just
You can
to
stream it.
log in into
There
the
is option
website?
called stream. Okay, there is option called stream. You can stream it.
And for 1 year?
Yeah, 1 year.
Thanks.
The
Sir,
timing will
one
be
more
same
thing.
on 8 to 9. Yes, please.
Yeah, do you guys cover topics on like the heterogeneous connections?
No.
Okay.
Heterogeneous connections mean you are talking about the migrations and all.
Yeah, let's say if an Oracle server is getting data from another MS SQL server, like the
That is
installation
covered
setup.
under our different courses. We have a separate course called Golden Gate. Okay. So there we took take care of this.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Hi.
So in order to go to Golden Gate, we have to complete this first and then Golden Gate.
Yeah, because
What will be?
without having a knowledge of Oracle DBA, you cannot understand Golden Gate.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Is there any opportunity for freshers after
If there
completing the
any
Oracle
opportunity
DBA?
for
Freshers.
freshers, have all the struggle, man, everywhere. Okay, everywhere. It's not
Hmm.
about the DB. Everywhere the challenges are there. Some people are
Okay.
getting selected also, but yes, I will not be telling you that if you do the course today and tomorrow you will get the job. That is not
Hmm.
going to happen. It is going to happen also. It's all depending upon your the hard work, because even I was also fresher, we also need to struggle. Okay, but yeah,
Hmm. Okay.
opportunities are there. You need to find out. We are going to help you also, but yes, struggle is there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ankush, here we will cover table, purging activities, partitions, and big queries in this
Big queries
course.
means big queries will come under GCP and all, right?
Yeah, GCP, correct. Exactly, I'm working on GCP
GCP we are
also.
not covering. Okay, this is on-premises course. The cloud part we are going to see in the next course. That's a separate course.
Okay.
This is a total Oracle database administration course.
So we will cover in this course in rack also.
Rack is a separate course. Okay. Here we are going to cover data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation.
Anyone from SQL DBA is better to learn Oracle DBA or PostgreSQL DBA? What do you
It's all
suggest?
dependent upon the requirement. Okay. Some
Uh,
like I have seen many times people with SQL DBA and Oracle DBA will work together. Some people will go with the Postgres also. If you are interested for Postgres, we have a Postgres also. I'm the trend only. Both are
both are enterprise level because both the databases are not free. That's what I am asking.
you can go with Postgres then. Like you will have one open source and one enterprise then in your profile.
Okay.
Will I be able to take the course again if need? Like that's the second batch, including this fee, is this in this fees, or has to be separate again?
Yeah, no. Same batch, but the immediate next batch we allowed. Okay. Means what I'm
So
trying to
all
say, if you join this batch now, and by any chance because of any issues, if you are not able to join this batch, you can repeat the next batch. Okay.
good to know. Thank you.
Yeah. Duration will be 3 months, guys. Okay. The duration will be 3 months. Okay. Fine. So I think I have given enough answers. The version will be 19c. Okay. But still, if you have any questions, you can reach out to the number which is available in the description or chat options. We are going to take a daily class from Monday to Thursday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The duration will be 3 months. We are going to cover all the concept of Oracle DBA. Everything will be covered with this. The version will be Oracle 19c. After the training, we are going to conduct the mock interviews. You can check the mock interviews on our YouTube channel, so it is available there. Uh, and and what else you want to know? Everything is fine. All right. And if you want to know more about us, by any chance, if you're listening for the first time, you can go to, this is our YouTube channel, so you can go here, and check our YouTube channel. You'll definitely like it. 1 minute. So you can go here, YouTube channel, you can subscribe. So you can go to this YouTube channel. I'll just give you the link also. Maybe you'll find it helpful. So this is our YouTube channel. Sorry. So this is our YouTube channel, and if you guys want to follow me on LinkedIn, so you can follow me on LinkedIn also. So this is my profile on LinkedIn. You guys can follow me on LinkedIn also if you wish to do. Any questions, guys, so far? अरे क्या हुआ?
Yeah, hi.
Yes.
Can you have ASM and data guard any fast track? Actually, I'm a working professional. I am
Fast
10 years
track,
of
no.
experience.
Fast track is
Sorry?
very become sorry. Fast track we don't have anything right as of now. Like if you want,
Only ASM,
we can provide.
ASM and data guard, sir. No?
I do understand it is there in the syllabus. Maybe we can help you with the recording. For that you can check with the Learnomate team. But the live
Okay.
lectures with the fast track, because we need to take care of everyone. So that's one challenge.
Okay. 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 This is a 3 months course. Huh?
Yeah, 3 months. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's connect in the class now. And you can reach out to the Learnomate team, learnomate.org. That's our official website. And thank you. Okay. Bye bye.